Mr. Sunshine. Mr. Sunshine is a South Korean television series penned by renowned screenwriter Kim Yoon-suk set against the backdrop of late 19th century during the Joseon dynasty. The narrative entertains personal and historical events exploring themes of love, identity, and patriotism during tumultuous period in Korean history. Reflection. In the summer of 2023, I found myself engrossed in the world of Mr. Sunshine, a captivating South Korean television series created by Kim Yoon-suk. The narrative set against the backdrop of early 20th century Korea entertains personal and national struggle, showcasing profound themes of love, sacrifices, and identity. I am to explore the lessons learned from Mr. Sunshine, focusing on the importance of understanding one's history, the value of resilience in the face of adversity, and the transformative power of love.